So we're going to start off by taking our tool and we're going to go ahead and just put it right here. And we're going to clamp it down, give it a good twist all the way around. Make sure we get all that plastic. Okay. I don't have wire cutters. I'm using scissors. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, actually, you know what? Don't even need that. And the same tool that we have, we have the ability to just set the connection. Bam, baby. And then we take that and then we cut a little bit more off. Actually, because we kind of want to measure us out. So I want them to reach to about right there. So probably about right here is where we want to cut off. We'll take that and just twist that. Twist, 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 twist. Boom, exposed. We can line up our friend here. Untwist everything. Make sure all of our wires are separated. I'm going to do this on my own. Now we'll be right back when I am done and got them all matched up and ready to shove them in there. Okay, so I have them all in order now. Maroon, striped, green, solid, so then blue stripe, solid blue, green stripe, solid orange, so yeah, orange stripe. We've got our rj45 connector in here, and then all we gotta do is just put this in there. Suppose it's easier said than done, huh? Just put that in there. And I want to make sure we get some of that sleeve in there with that. We don't have no wires coming out. You can verify that all the pins are touching where they should be, how it should be. Verify that the thing is in there, the jacket's in there, all the wires are in there in place. Then we're going to go ahead and give this a good squeeze right here. And that'll push this in and seal those wires in there. It'll crimp this area, cause the jacket to be stuck in there. And now you've got yourself a good solid connector, Ethernet cord, CAT5e Ethernet cord. Perfect. So this is going to be our tester right here. We're going to take our cord that we made, and we're going to input on the rj45 section. Boom. And then we're going to take the other half of our machine here, and we're going to go ahead and just put it right on in here. Boom. Now we got a tester on. I went ahead and already tested it prior to this, but you can just press this button right here. It'll restart the test. It'll say it's clear, it's got power, it's good, and we're good to go. We got 0 faults, and it's making a clean connection.